How to back up videos from iPhone quickly and selectively. Here, we will reveal the answer you are surely satisfied with. Way 1. Backup iPhone videos to Windows PC. It's not tough for Windows 10 users to back up their iPhone videos to a PC with the default Windows Photos app. Option 1. Use Windows Photos app. Option 2. Drag and drop videos from iPhone to PC. Way 2. Backup videos from iPhone to Mac via Photos app. By setting up the Photos app on a Mac, you can upload your quality iOS videos automatically. And if you enable iCloud Photos library, all the imported clips will be visible across all the related iOS devices. Way 3. Backup videos from iPhone to PC or Mac with Assistant for iOS. Mobikin Assistant for iOS can technically make backups of iPhones selectively without losing data. When running this software on a computer, it facilitates you to preview and select whatever you want for backup or management. How to back up videos from iPhone to PC or Mac with Assistant for iOS. Step 1. Run the utility on a computer. Step 2. Select iPhone videos to back up. Step 3. Backup videos from iPhone to the computer. Way 4. Backup iPhone videos to iCloud iTunes. With 5 GB of free space, iCloud can officially upload your iPhone videos, photos, documents, settings, contacts, etc. to its cloud storage. After the configuration, all your videos will be synced automatically whenever your iPhone is under Wi-Fi. Way 5. Backup videos from iPhone via Google Photos. Google Photos and iPhone can upload iOS photos to Google server. Then users can access any items they take and any edits they make to them on any iPhone they sign into.